A new customer to con.
That ball shouldn't have done that. Oh, it's the last time I ever get involved with it. Hold the phone. That's no pitcher. And this whole joint is rigged for cheating. Give me my money back.
That's the security staff.
What's your favorite Houston? Wax didn't tune it up a lot. Bye. That was so not regulation, boss.
The flower pot.
Gosh, boss, you couldn't make that shot even with your trick, Houston.
Then go make me make it, Tweaky. Yeah! Into the sink!
I gotta get a new job.
Jail? I tell ya, that woodpecker tricked me. He stole Tweaky. That sports nut is more loaded than the bases before a grand slam.
Oh, maybe you'll buy these underwears worn by Big Butt McGurney in the...
We're out of the sweaty underwear business, Tweaky. You and me is now in the stealing this woodpecker's wallet business. But we gotta get him out of this crowd. Well, I am Coach Buzz Buzzard from Buzzard's Fantasy Baseball Camp.
Where you get to play real baseball with real baseball stars.
And today I'm offering one lucky sports. Just follow us.
Free? Woo-hoo! Take me up. Hey, what kind of sports camp is this?
What? Well, it's the kind that's out of the way. So's big baseball stars can hang out real private.
Great, let's get playing.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you go through the clubhouse there?
Whew! Smells more like an outhouse.
Stealing this room's wallet's gonna be tougher than I figured, Tweaky. Go make us a baseball field, and fast. We'll use them. You stand right here. The wallet, Tweaky, get the wallet.
Okay, I'm ready to play with the stars.
Well, not until, well, you still need to work on your, That's it. And I'll give you...
It fell out when you were sliding.
Yeah, there's no stars at this camp. I'm out of here.
Wait, I think I see one of the biggest baseball stars of all time. Tweaky, go be a star player or we'll lose this chump for good. Babe Birdie.
Ah, I'm the world's biggest baseball star.
The best kept secret in baseball?
So, you think you're pretty good stealing and running and stuff, huh?
Give him your best shot, sport. Knock him into next week, Tweaky. Tweaky, stop! Oh, we'll get his wallet if it's the last thing we do. Yeah, and you're gonna be out cold at home. Next time we watch the game on TV. Tweaky, you and me's going into the feed a woodpecker make a fortune. invention business. Introduce to you a revolutionary new device.
Oh, a glass of water coming up. Huh? There's probably water in that pipe.
Yeah, quick, Tweaky. Make like a cork and plug that leak. Ow! One ice cream cone, oh fabulous food block.
We're recalling the rocky road, but you can have this rock.
So that's it. They were scamming me with...
But that's impossible. I think we might have sold you a defective food box there, sport.
No, yeah, we might need to recall this model for ourselves and such.
He means for, retooling purposes, that is.
Wow.
Let me take a quick look-see inside.
Whoa! Boss, it's working!
Food! Oh, food! It's really making food, Tweaky. This box in for some serious servicing, sport.
It's gonna cost ya.
Oh, here's your $50 back. Fine, take everything I got.
Just thinking about all that food's making me stronger, boss. It seems lighter already.